From family hauling giants to cargo bikes built for serious business, manufacturers have pushed the limits of what's possible in 2026. Today, we're counting down the 11 best electric cargo bikes of 2026 to find out which one is truly worth your money. Number 11, Aventon Abound SR. Starting off our list is a cargo bike that proves you don't need a massive frame to haul serious loads. The Aventon Abound SR has become a favorite among commuters and families looking for a compact cargo solution. At first glance, it doesn't look much bigger than a regular e-bike, but don't let that fool you. The rear rack is designed to carry groceries, work equipment, or even a child seat without making the bike feel bulky. One reason riders love the Abound SR is its handling. Many cargo bikes feel heavy and awkward. This one stays surprisingly nimble, making it easier to navigate crowded streets and tight bike lanes. The powerful motor provides plenty of assistance when climbing hills, even when carrying extra weight. For city dwellers who want cargo bike practicality without the size of a small motorcycle, the Abound SR is a strong option. Number 10. Specialized Globe Haul LT. Specialized entered the cargo bike market with serious intentions, and the Globe Haul LT quickly became one of the most talked about models on the road. This long-tail cargo bike is built to carry people, gear, and almost anything else you can imagine. Need to transport 2 kids? No problem. Weekly grocery haul? Easy. Camping equipment for a weekend trip? The Globe Haul LT can handle it. What makes it stand out is its balance between power and simplicity. The controls are straightforward, the frame feels incredibly stable, and the ride quality remains comfortable even when heavily loaded. Many reviewers describe it as one of the easiest cargo bikes for beginners to learn. That's a huge advantage if you're making the switch from driving to riding. Number 9. Tern Quick Haul. Long-Tern has built a reputation for creating some of the most practical cargo bikes in the world. The Quick Haul Long continues that tradition. Unlike oversized cargo bikes that require lots of storage space, this model was designed with urban life in mind. It offers impressive carrying capacity while keeping the overall footprint relatively compact. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. Parents use it for school runs, business owners use it for deliveries, and commuters use it as a complete car replacement. The frame is engineered to remain stable even when carrying passengers on the rear rack. That's important because confidence is everything when riding a loaded cargo bike. Add Tern's extensive lineup of accessories, and the Quick Haul Long becomes one of the most adaptable cargo bikes available in 2026. Number 8. Yuba Fastrack. If flexibility is your priority, the Yuba Fastrack deserves attention. This bike was designed to adapt to different lifestyles and changing needs. One day it can carry groceries, the next day it can transport kids, and after that it can serve as a work vehicle. Its adjustable design is one of the features that has impressed reviewers across YouTube and the cycling community. The geometry makes it comfortable for riders of different heights, which is especially useful for families sharing a single bike. The motor provides smooth assistance without feeling overly aggressive. That means acceleration feels natural and predictable. For riders looking for a cargo bike that can do a little bit of everything, the Fastrack is one of the smartest choices on the market. Number 7. Rad Power RadWagon 5. Few cargo bikes are as recognizable as the RadWagon. Over the years, it has become one of the most popular electric cargo bikes ever made, and the RadWagon 5 continues that legacy. This bike focuses on practicality above all else. Large cargo capacity, comfortable riding position, strong motor assistance, and plenty of accessory options. Whether you're hauling children, groceries, sports gear, or work equipment, the RadWagon 5 is built to handle the challenge. Its popularity also means there's no shortage of YouTube reviews, owner experiences, and customization videos online. For many people entering the cargo bike world, the RadWagon remains one of the first names that comes to mind, and in 2026, it still deserves a place among the very best. Coming up next are the bikes that truly dominate the cargo bike world, including some premium machines that many owners say completely replace their cars. Number 6. Benno Boost. The Benno Boost has always been difficult to classify. Is it a cargo bike, a commuter bike, or a utility vehicle? The answer is all 3. That's what makes it so interesting. Unlike many cargo bikes that feel oversized, the Benno Boost rides surprisingly close to a traditional bicycle, yet it still offers impressive hauling capability. The extended rear rack allows riders to carry children, shopping bags, work equipment, and more without dramatically changing the bike's handling. Many reviewers praise its smooth ride quality and balanced feel. You don't need weeks of practice to feel comfortable riding it. That's a huge advantage for people transitioning away from cars. The Benno Boost proves that a cargo bike doesn't need to look enormous to be incredibly useful. Number 5. Trek Fetch Plus 4 Trek is one of the biggest names in cycling, so when they entered the electric cargo bike market, expectations were sky high. The Fetch Plus 4 delivers. This long john style cargo bike places its large cargo box in front of the rider. That design creates a completely different riding experience compared to long-tail cargo bikes. Parents especially love this setup because children sit directly in front of them. Instead of wondering what's happening behind you, you can actually see your passengers throughout the ride. The front cargo area is also perfect for groceries, pets, and larger items. What truly impresses riders is the bike's stability. Even with a heavy load, the steering remains predictable and confidence-inspiring. Combined with Trek's excellent build quality, the Fetch Plus 4 has become one of the most respected family cargo bikes available today. Number 4. Urban Arrow FamilyNext. If you've spent any time researching cargo bikes on YouTube, you've almost certainly seen an Urban Arrow, and for good reason. The FamilyNext is one of the most refined front-loading cargo bikes ever built. Everything about it is designed around transporting families safely and comfortably. The spacious front cargo box can accommodate multiple children while still leaving room for backpacks, groceries, and daily essentials. Parents often describe it as a true car replacement. School runs, shopping trips, weekend adventures. The FamilyNext handles them all. Its powerful motor helps eliminate the stress of carrying heavy loads. Meanwhile, the low center of gravity keeps the bike remarkably stable. The result is a riding experience that feels far more natural than many first-time riders expect. For families looking to ditch a second vehicle, the Urban Arrow FamilyNext is often one of the first bikes recommended. Number 3. Riese and Müller Load 475. Now we're entering premium territory. The Riese and Müller Load 475 is widely considered one of the most advanced cargo bikes in the world, and once you see it in action, it's easy to understand why. Unlike many cargo bikes that prioritize utility over comfort, the Load 475 delivers both. Its full suspension design helps absorb bumps, potholes, and rough road. That's especially important when carrying children or fragile cargo. The front cargo area is large enough for family use, business deliveries, or serious haulings. But what truly separates this bike competition is ride quality. Even when loaded with gear, it remains stable, responsive, and surprisingly fun to ride. Many owners say it completely changed how they think about transportation. Instead of planning around a car, they plan around the bike. And that's perhaps the highest compliment any cargo bike can receive. Number 2. Tern GSD Gen 3. If there is one cargo bike that repeatedly dominates best cargo bike discussions, it's the Tern GSD, and the newest Gen 3 version continues that reputation. The reason is simple. Few bikes manage to combine compact dimensions with massive carrying capacity as effectively as the GSD. Despite being relatively short for a cargo bike, it can carry astonishing amounts of weight. Children, adults, grocery, business equipment. The GSD handles it all. Its clever design also makes storage easier than many competitors. For riders living in apartments or homes with limited space, that's a major advantage. The bike's versatility has made it a favorite among family, delivery riders, and commuters alike. And according to countless YouTube reviews, it's one of the closest things to a true car replacement currently available. But the number 1 spot belongs to a cargo bike that many experts consider the gold standard of the entire category. Number 1. Specialized Turbo Porto. Taking the top spot on our list is the Specialized Turbo Porto. This is the cargo bike that many experts believe represents the future of family transportation. From the moment you see it, it's clear that Specialized designed the Porto to be more than just another cargo bike. Everything about it feels premium. The frame design is sleek, the electronics are highly refined, and the riding experience feels incredibly polished. What makes the Porto special is how approachable it is. Cargo bikes can sometimes feel intimidating, especially for new riders. The Porto was built to change that. Its low center of gravity helps riders feel stable and in control. The powerful motor delivers smooth assistance exactly when it's needed, and even when carrying passengers or heavy cargo, the bike remains balanced and predictable. Parents especially appreciate how easy it is to load children and gear. Whether it's school drop-offs, grocery runs, or weekend adventures, the Porto handles the job with confidence. Another area where it shines is technology. The bike includes advanced features that help riders monitor battery performance, navigation, and system health. That extra level of refinement makes daily riding easier and more enjoyable.